Every time we get package from Island Shipper, we get this excited. Listen to me, the young lady excited bad. And let me tell you, they have the very best services, the very best customer service. Like them take care of your packages. Let me tell you, man, every single time I am to receive something from Island Shipper, I get excited like it's the first time. You know, not like Corey type of thing where him order him thing I never get it till 2019. Nah, I get my items every time, all the time. All right, listen, it is just unacceptable for you to be using somebody else. Like, why would you want to do that? I wouldn't want to put you through that trauma. This is the reason for my video. If you're with somebody else, I can tell you this much. It makes sense to switch because you're not with the best if you're not with Alan Shipper. And that is just the truth. I am just super excited and I am proud.